The star for 2019's New Female Recording Artist of the Year goes to... It's a tie. Ria Ortega and Jada Gonzalo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And on behalf of my Records family, gusto ko magpasalamat sa TNTC for this award. And nagpapasalamat po ako sa pamilya ko, sa supporters, and especially to my Records family, and especially to Boss Big Del Rosario. I will make this as an inspiration po to do better in my music career in the future. Thank you po. Mabuhay po sa